Selling digital products on Etsy is the holy grail. Everyone wants to sell digital products because there's nothing to really fulfill other than you have to give them a digital download. Well, in this video, I am going to share with you 12 digital products that are selling on Etsy, and they are ranging from $3,000 per month all the way up to about $25,000. And actually, it's making $25,476 and pretty much pure profit. Now, one of the main reasons I wanted to do this research is to really see what other types of digital products out there or what other niches are there that are selling digital products. And I also wanted to educate myself to see, is there anything that I could add to my niche with a digital product? And well, after doing this research, I do have a bunch of ideas. Now, there are a few that I found that I've never really thought of before, and they're making good money. Actually, one of them is making $9,000 per month, pretty much pure profit. Actually, it's $9,100. And the kicker is, it only started selling about a month ago. And this product, honestly, I could see like an old retired guy came up with this and now he's making like $9,100 per month. Crazy. All right, so we got a lot to cover here. Let's jump in. All right, so the very first product I want to share with you is in the photography niche. And what this is a set of digital backdrops that a photographer can use in their studio. So this one set right here, let me go ahead and run the numbers, and it is generating $10,574 per month. Now, normally what I want to do is I want to look right here and see if they're running a special or a sale. A lot of times these digital products, they're running like 50% off or 25% off. Well, they're not. So they're selling them for $19.95. So are they making all of the $10,574? No, but they're making a good portion of that because it's a digital download. So they're making over $10,000 per month, pretty much profit. Now, let's check this out. Estimated monthly sales is $530, total sales is $530, and the reason why is because they've only been selling for 1 month. And I have a hunch the reason why is because this is geared towards Valentine's Day. Now, I do have another set of digital backdrops that I pulled up, and that is one of my 12. So let's take a look at that and see how that's doing, because I believe that is more year round. So this one here is from a different shop, and they are selling this right here, which is basically one set, and it looks like it's for a more floral type of background, and it looks like they are offering a 25% off discount. So let's check out the numbers on this. So this is doing $6,770 in monthly revenue, 336 monthly sales, and 402 total. So it looks like they've been selling for a month, but probably a little over a month is what I'm assuming here. But what I really want you to pay attention to is it's generating $6,770, but really that's 25% off. So if we really did the math, and I'm not going to do the math here in front of you, but it's probably more like $4,000, which is still pretty darn good. It's over $3,000 per month from selling a digital product for photographers. And oh, by the way, if you're wondering what tool am I using here to get this data, it's a tool called Everbee, and I will go ahead and link it up down in the description. I'll put it up on the screen here too. If you want to try it for free, you can. You can head on over to brandcreators.com/Everbee. Yes, I'm an affiliate for it, but I use it all the time, and that's why I do promote it, because, well, it's a great product. All right, so moving on to my third digital product that I want to share with you, and that is this one right here. And this is in the wedding niche. So wedding weekend itinerary. It's a 60+ page, fully editable and customizable. Now, what they are doing is they are creating this wedding weekend itinerary as a digital download for someone that obviously is going to be getting married. Now, the wedding industry, pretty competitive and it's pretty popular, but you can see here, this shop probably isn't that old, and it's already got 5,258 total sales for the shop. But let's look at the numbers. So this digital product right now has generated $5,565 in monthly revenue. Here it has 531 monthly sales, and total sales is 4,248. and the listing is only 8 months old, which is really, really good. The other thing that I look at is your favorites. That gives me a sign that people are actually raising their hand by favoriting it, and it means that there's demand for this product. The one thing that I do always like to look at is the monthly revenue, and I like to see, is that the actual revenue or is there a discount being applied? And there's not. So this product right here, it's doing over $5,000 per month, pretty much profit. And moving on to my fourth digital product that I want to share with you in the same niche, but it's a wedding planner now, not just an itinerary for a weekend. So wedding planner, 150 plus pages. And this one here is running a discount, so 70% off. It's selling for $9.14. Let's take a look at the numbers. Now, looking at this, it says that the revenue is $15,458 and the monthly sales is $561 and 1,282 total sales. And it's only been selling for 3 months. But let's do the math. What is it really earning if it's only selling for $9.14? Basically, I did a little math and it's doing $5,127. So it's over that $5,000 mark. Pretty good. So that's 4 digital products so far. We're going to move on to number 5. But before we do me a favor. If you're finding this video useful, if you're enjoying this, do me a favor, smash the like button. I'd appreciate it. All right. Now, product number 5 is really simple. And it's not 150 plus pages that you need to create. It's literally one document. Check this out. This is a bridesmaid info card template. Yes, that's right. A bridesmaid info card template. So you basically go here and you show the colors that you're going to be using. So this way here, when they're shopping, they're going to have all of the information. Now, once again, this is in the wedding niche, but it's just for the bridesmaids. Really, really smart. So whenever you're thinking about your niche, are there certain areas or certain segments of your niche that you could create something digital? Think about that, because if you can start tapping into offering digital products. So let's go ahead and run Everbee and let's see what the numbers are. All right, so $6,254 in estimated monthly revenue. We have 626 monthly sales and 7,715 total sales. And it's got 10,000 favorites. Remember what I said about favorites. It's like someone voting that they're interested in it, and that means that there's good demand for this product. But check this out. It's a year old, so basically 12 months old, which is really, really awesome. But once again, I want to look at if they're running a sale, and they are a 40% off sale. So this is selling for $5.99. So I took 626, I multiplied it by $5.99 and $3,700, actually $3,749.74. So this product again is doing over $3,000 from one document, one download. Insane. All right, this next one is going to kind of blow you away. And actually, the next one after that is really going to blow you away. Actually, they're all going to blow you away. These next ones are crazy. So what I'm talking about here is chicken coop plans. Yeah, you heard me right. Check this out. Chicken coop and run plans, build video. That is it. And if we're looking at like Etsy SEO and stuff, this is so basic. There's not a lot of SEO going on here, but there's not a lot of people probably selling these, so they don't need to. But let's go ahead and run the numbers. Is this thing really making any money? Yeah, I would say it is. How about $3,090 per month, 206 monthly sales, and 2,763 total sales, and 6,255 favorites. That's pretty good. And this has been selling for just over a year. And well, it's doing $3,090, selling for $15. They're not offering a sale at this time. So you can pretty much say that's almost all profit. You just have to take out some fees for Etsy. And another crazy observation that I had was they're not even optimizing. They have a handful of tags and that's it. So what does this mean? There's a lot of demand for this product, but there's not a lot of sellers, which is an opportunity for anyone that might be in like the homesteading space or chicken space or just farming in general. Now, on that same note, I got another product. This is going to be product number 7, And this one here is going to blow your mind because we're going to build off of what we just talked about, the chicken coops. Is there other things that people are selling for those darn chickens? Well, there are. And well, let me just show you. How about a one picket chicknick table plans? Yeah, I'm not making this up. Check this out. So this is a picnic table that is made into a chicken feeder. So basically it's a little picnic table that holds feed and the chickens can eat their food from the picnic table. But are there really people buying this thing? Yeah, there are. And it's $2,933 in sales. 391 in monthly sales, and total sales is 782, and they've only been selling for 2 months. Now, this one here was just under my mark of 3,000 per month, but I had to still share it. It's pretty close, and I have a hunch this is going to exceed $3,000 here very soon. Now, the reason I'm sharing this with you is because, well, it's crazy, but it's also an example of what can be done inside of your niche when we're talking plans, we're talking downloads. If something can be printed on paper, it probably can be offered as a digital download. So think outside the box. All right, so my 8th digital product that I wanted to share with you is one that will help someone like me that likes to use things in spreadsheets, but not really good at creating them myself. So this is the ultimate monthly budget spreadsheet, and it's a template for Google Sheets. So once again, if you have something that you can create for a software out there that's already there, like Canva, right? Or Google Sheets, something like that, and it's within your niche, it's something that you definitely can offer as a digital download because we want convenience, and that's exactly what this product does. So let's go ahead and dig into the numbers. Now, before I do run Everbee to find the actual data and the numbers, let's take a look at this though first. It's a 50% off, so it's selling for $9.95. So let's make sure that we remember that. So it's doing $13,870 according to the data that's being pulled in. But again, that's at the regular price. So we would want to cut that in half, which is going to be over $6,000 per month. Not bad. It's doing 697 monthly sales. It's done 5,632 sales, and it's only been live for 8 months. The other thing I'm looking at here, once again, is the total favorites, 4,851, which is, again, a really good sign. All right, so moving on to digital product number 9, we're going to play off of the last one, and that is more of your budgeting and planning. This here is a bi-weekly paycheck planner. So now they're taking budgeting and they're niching it down even more for people that get paid bi-weekly, and that's a paycheck planner. Well, you would wonder, like, does really anybody need that, or would anybody want that? Well, let's go ahead and look at the numbers. How about $4,090 worth of sales and 818 monthly sales? Total sales, 5,749, and it's been selling for 7 months. Crazy. Oh, and 7,653 favorites. Mind-blowing. Right? Is this popular? Is there demand for this type of product? The answer is yes. All right, moving on to digital product number 10. I couldn't resist using this here because, well, everyone hears about digital planners, and yes, they are very popular and very saturated, but I thought that I should share this with you just to show you an extreme example that when you do tap into a niche or a larger market, there's probably going to be a bigger upside as well. So let's look at a custom digital planner. Let's go ahead and run the numbers on this. Let's keep in mind it's running at a 50% off sale. We don't know if it's been running for a week or if it's been since the day it was launched, but let's assume it's only been selling at 50% off. So $13.67 is what you would have to pay for this digital download, and $50,952. Okay, let's cut that in half. Over $25,000. Wow. And monthly estimated sales, 1,944. Total sales, 29,276. 22,339 favorites. So obviously very, very strong demand here. And then it's been selling for 1 year, 3 months. Absolutely crazy. All right, moving on to digital product number 11. And this one here did really surprise me. And the first thing that came to mind when I found this was I could see an older retired guy made this product and is making over $9,000 per month. It's a folding workbench plan set, and it has a video that goes along with it. It's selling for $15, and there's not much of a title here. So once again, probably not the best SEO strategy, but still doing pretty good. Let's look at the numbers. So like I mentioned, over $9,000 in monthly revenue, 650 monthly sales. Total sales is 650, and that's because it's only been active for 1 month, which is absolutely bonkers. All right, digital product number 12. And this one here, I got the idea from the last product and I started looking up different plans. Also the chicken coop that I shared with you, that's a plan. So what I wanted to do was see, are there any other woodworking type projects that could be sold? And guess what? I found one. So here is a very unique product. It's 4 concealment plans. These are plans to make some type of cabinet or shelf that can conceal things, that can hide things in your house. So this way here, things don't look cluttered. So check this out. It's a bestseller. It's selling for $30, all right? No discount. Let's see what the numbers look like. Well, it hit my number right on the mark, $3,000 in monthly revenue. It's selling 100 per month. It's had 1,064 total sales, and it's been live for 10 months. Now, this is a very, very niche down type of product, and it's still doing $3,000 per month. And pretty much you can say a lot of that is profit because it's a digital download. You have to pay the Etsy fees, but that's it. Other than that, they're just getting a digital download. So this is a great example of, again, something that is niched down for someone that is looking to maybe declutter, and now they're going to build some shelves so this way they can conceal their clutter. So there's 12 different digital products that are selling very, very well on Etsy. Now, one big problem that I see a lot of Etsy sellers making is they're not looking outside of their narrow niche, or maybe they're going too broad. Well, I shot a video where I go over my niche stacking process and my strategy. I'm going to put that video right here. I would encourage you to watch that one next, because if you're thinking about launching digital products or print on demand products, you definitely want to watch that one next, because it'll show you exactly how to do the niche stacking so you can go ahead and leverage these different types of products. So watch that one next. I'll see you in the video.